Hello, my fabulous friends. It is Monday, which is May the 9th, and I'm just sitting here putting my day's makeup on. If you're like me and you're in the 45 plus club, it might be beneficial to know. So if you're interested in hearing this tip for the 45 plus, then just keep watching this video. But do me a favor, if you're new to my channel, before you do anything else, you want to smash that like button, and then if you would be so kind as to also hit the subscribe button and ring that bell, because that way you'll be kept abreast of when I upload my videos, which is usually once a week. Okay, so you wanted to see what the tip was, and basically I have most of my makeup on, and I'm going to now do my blush. The reason that I did this video is because a girlfriend of mine, we were talking, and I mentioned how women in the 45 plus group always seem to put their blush on in the wrong place. And what it does in essence, if you put it in the wrong place, is it drags your face down. We already have gravity and aging working to drag our skin down and our face. So I thought it would be fun just to take this little Tarte blush palette. Normally I wear a coral or a soft like corally pink one, but this is very pink. And I'm just going to put it on this brush because I do like to actually use a kind of flat kabuki brush, and this Farrah brush is just awesome. In order to get that very snatched kind of upswept look that's not going to age you, you don't want to be putting blush on the apples of the cheeks. While that looks very youthful and fresh, it mainly looks youthful and fresh on faces that are in their 20s and 30s. It's a little bit more hard to pull off, like I said, when you're in the 45 plus. So in order to get the snatched look, we have taken some of the pink blush, and you can do this with liquids, creams, or powders. And what you're aiming for is you want to kind of get high up on the cheekbone, just the side of the eye, and towards the hairline, and just kind of stamp it. So starting on that cheekbone, just kind of stamp, and just keep working it soft, kind of radiance like that. And I just keep stamping until I get the set intensity that I'm looking for. And I think the quality of a good blush, if I might add, is one that's buildable as opposed to something that's so opaque that you have to take hours to kind of just, blend it out. So here is that Tarte blush there. I'm going to do a traditional blush placement on this side of the face. You're going to see how it totally drags the face down. So traditional placement would be kind of here on the apples of the cheeks, and then we kind of just stamp and blend it out that way. That while it's youthful, it doesn't give you that uplifting kind of snatched face. I just love that word, snatched. Looks great if you're in your 20s, but do you see how this side of the face already just kind of like with just blush placement already just kind of snatches and draws the face up. Now, I've also noticed there's a trend to kind of take the blush across the nose, which is also actually quite a nice look. I really like it. Again, don't add blush to the end of the nose. If you want to create that look, then take it pretty high up, just on the bridge. And again, just lightly pat so that you have, it almost looks like you have a little sunshine tipping, the high points of your face. So you can see very clearly kind of the uplifting effect on this side, minus the eye bags and wrinkles, and then kind of the traditional placement over here. I think it's a huge difference. I think it just automatically draws the eye up, and up is good. Is up not good? Up is good. Anyways, that is the 5-minute tutorial today. Blush placement. Hope you enjoyed this tip. Talk to you all fabulous people next week. Bye.